wenza umsebenzi sabe wena ba asibuka stage kwenzakala Mati mo sasala ugagacana Sambe we Hey Sambe we nabani
Bahlali basePolar Park naSithokoza lo ophambi kwenu okhulumayo umenzi wawazikhali ngupresident weBambanani ma-hostel and informal settlement ama-hostel aseGauteng awu-72 namuhla sila eWard 53 sithathe isinqumo sokuthi sibiza ama-department sine-partnership ne-working relationship ne-social development ephethwe u-MEC omusha umama uNomatu Nkomo Radihuka kungekudala ku-MEC usendleleni naye uyasondela ezobona abantu baseWard 53 bahlali siBambanani sadesigner iprogram esiyibiza nge-TISH i-TISH i-Township Informal Settlement and Hostels. If we can remember dramatically very well, ama-hostel and ama-informal settlement have been neglected for the longest time. Sa-designer i-program sayinika the currently premier waseGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi sayilauncha saqala amaPanyaza ama-Green Army. It's part and parcel ye-TISH. Sisebenzisana nama-department ayi-10 waseGauteng. Sisebenzisane nama-NPO afundwa i-social development. Nibona isasa ifika ne-Home Affairs already sendleleni ngoba i-purpose yokuthi abantu senzela ukuthi abantu bathola ama-ID. I-Home Affairs ke abakwandaba zabantu benza inhlelo ezingafani. Firstly, mayifiki iHome Affairs njengoba uDumisani unobhala bekathandaza siyakwazi ukuthi sikushadise, siyakwazi mawufuna udivorce khona la. So le program eniyibonayo esiyenzayo currently besi-travela from Mamelodi kuyo yonke province sihamba no-MEC sibe nama-program angafani esiwenzayo esiyibiza iTswada. iTswada iprogram yabantu abaphila nezidakamizwa othola ukuthi omunye aka-afford ifamily yakhe ukuthi ye-rehab ngaya i-department imusa mahala ha. So ngizama ukuthi there are a lot of programs esizenza ne-social development. Ngicela ukuthi wonke umuntu ongaphandle egate makangena la ngaphakathi a-register so that i-system ikwazi ukumcapture abe kwi-system. Nawo ke lama-NPO wala azochaza ukuthi ezeleni awapha ama-programs anawo abantu bakwazi ukusizakala. Sibe ne-program esiyibiza nge-skill development. Bayakwazi ukuthathwa bayotrainwa babaqeda sibiza iprogram esiyibiza ngeHarambe. iHarambe kula khona ke manje sebethathelwa ukuyothola umsebenzi. eKalinen uMEC uyivulile i-rehab. Sesinenye i-rehab eHeidelberg. So lama rehab abantu abaphila nalento esibiza ngama-substance abuse, which means drugs and alcohol and others. So sinibizela ePolar Park sizothi kulama-department sifuna anilekelele anisize, more especially i-labor mayifika ithatha ama-CV wenu ikwazi ukusebenza nama-program esiwabiza ngeHarambe la abantu bathola job opportunities. But bakithi thina siyiBambanani si-NPO esebenzana nama-department wonke waseGauteng asizi kubantu ngoba sikuvotwa. I'm running this organization the past period of 15 years. Asikaze size kubantu ngoba sifuna lokho nalokho no sizisa i-service delivery. That was sibiza i-service delivery blitz. Ama blitz which means i-department isondela ebantwini izozisa i-service delivery. Bantu bakithi ngiyabonga wonke umuntu ongena ngaphakathi la a register kunamatente nele social development yile lisekhoneni akwazi ukushiya ama details wakhe sibone ukuthi enzani nalama NPO la azonceda nina azonilekelela sibonge kakhulu program director.